we can hear you.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you all?
We're all still alive, Peter, and we're excited to be meeting with you. We've been, we're glad to meet you now as well, because we were just about to discuss as a group how we were going to handle the session. But I guess it now makes sense that you're here because we can describe it to you as well as to each other.
Sure.
So what we're going to do is conduct an hour-long session with you. And first, we wanted to thank you for taking the time to meet with us and for letting us pick your brains and ask you a number of questions. We've got the brief and we're all really excited about the swag, especially now with coronavirus and how important it is that food lasts in our fridges because we don't want to be running to the shops every day. The group have collated a very large list of questions, which we've just narrowed down to try to make it enough questions that we can get an idea of what's important to you and understand the product, We've got a new joiner called Kath, but I don't know who that is. Do you know what?
Kath works with me.
Okay, we were just checking it wasn't some random like Hamish. Hi, Kath.
Not some rando.
Hi. Yeah. So, and what we're going to do is each of the participants today in the workshop are going to introduce themselves and just then jump straight into asking you some of these questions. And while they're asking a question, we're going to note down some of, the salient points that you answer. We've got scribes and we're going to take notes. It's an open discussion. There's no right answers. There's no wrong or right way to handle it. So just be yourself, and we're wanting to have it be more like a conversation, like a dialogue, rather than it being an interview like you have with maybe a news reporter or something. Yeah. So it's important that you share with us. We're like your lawyer. We can't get you off the crime unless you tell us the truth, So yeah, think of us that way rather than people who are interviewing you about your business who want to hear only good news. We actually want to hear the bad news because we're here to solve problems.